Celebrating together, the joy of shared moments. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and uplifting phrase, celebrate together. This phrase is all about sharing special moments and the importance of community and togetherness in our lives. Let's explore what it means to celebrate together and how you can use this phrase in your conversations. Celebrate means to acknowledge a significant or happy day, event, or occasion with a social gathering or enjoyable activity. It's about marking something special, like a birthday, a festival, or an achievement. Together refers to being with one or more other people. It's the opposite of being alone. When we say, celebrate together, we're talking about the act of gathering with friends, family, or even strangers to share in the joy of a particular moment or achievement. It's not just about the celebration itself but the act of sharing that experience with others, enhancing the happiness and significance of the occasion. Celebrating together strengthens bonds between individuals. It's a way to express joy, gratitude, and camaraderie. Shared celebrations create lasting memories and foster a sense of belonging and community. Whether it's a small family gathering, a large public event, or a virtual celebration, the essence lies in the shared experience and the emotional connections that are strengthened as a result. In language and culture, celebrate together can be seen in many forms, from traditional festivals around the world to personal milestones like graduations or promotions. Understanding and participating in these celebrations can also be a wonderful part of learning a new language and culture. 1. Invitations. Let's celebrate together. You're invited to my graduation party. 2. Expressing a wish. I hope we can celebrate together soon. 3. Sharing experiences. We celebrated our anniversary together with a lovely dinner. 4. Reflecting on shared moments. Celebrating our team's success together was an unforgettable experience. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, used in various contexts to convey the warmth and joy of shared celebrations. We hope this video has illuminated the beautiful concept of celebrate together and inspired you to find more moments to share joy and achievements with those around you. Remember, celebrations are not just about the event itself but the togetherness they embody and the memories they create. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to celebrating our next learning milestone together. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language, and happy learning!